If you're experiencing crashing issues with your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 2. Check for software updates. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. If the crash is occurring while playing specific games, verify the integrity of the game files. Open your Steam library, right-click on the game, select Properties, go to Local Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. High graphics settings may cause crashes. Lower the graphics settings in the game options to see if it stabilizes performance. Experiment with different settings to find a balance. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If the issue persists, consider resetting your Steam Deck to factory settings. Back up your data first, then go to Settings, select System, and choose the option to reset to factory settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issue on your Steam Deck. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.